Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, I don't know if you can tell that I love mason jars. And I'm super happy that I found this set of 6 wide mouth mason jars from Melcars. I love that they actually thought this really through. Right on the lid, you have the space where you can actually mark the date in which you stored something there. So that is really, really nice. And they actually give you a whole package, a good amount of labels and a Sharpie. So that is really sweet that they did that. Now, what I do is that I set aside a few of them for drinking, and I'm able to put labels on them when people come to visit, so they actually know which cup is theirs. Now, my mainly use for these cups was to actually store things in the refrigerator, so I'm super happy that I got this set because it helps me to keep track of when I actually store something in the refrigerator. So that is really, really cool. So again, if you are looking for a nice set of mason jars, I will definitely recommend this set from Melcars, but hey, that is just my point of view.